Amor ditwal ajoli mwaka manyen alibero piru abiti yup milorange mo tin tian marione imwaka man manyen ni inelre ario mijamia chil imwaka alibero piru abit ento kongo chakenen wiye madirka waduchen wameteke yup mamewa milorange mo chin.
At least the one thing for now we can all agree on is the soap to use. He likes that it's big and lasts long. Anti-economy. I like that it keeps my skin smooth. Ate alina echovu. And the children like that. It smells amazing. Everyone is happy. Movit soap comes in 4 fantastic flavors. Movit family soap is truly soap for the whole family.
Movit. All day confidence.
No diro maya joli ko chaya matek kitimelara ngom ikin dano ke guri me donlo matika balo donlo be ko malo ni
Masem na romo piera piero ya pi banana na bere ya Moro district pielo katoli ano no katoli ni mogo mana yao miongong
Kadung MPs makichwaka party NRM gimit ni mon konge bet pin kinyam lok ma President Yoweri Museveni okati kwere ikomi ya gony me bon ne bodan makibiyawa no timo bal me kuo kano kichaket to check manatich.
Thinking that the cases which the president has imposed the no bond sanction is not worthy.
Amore dore afoy Rebecca Edwatin yup milorange mo chuinya Ania Sunday akumu man wanlu television. Lutela mabapati ya joli guwani mono timelara ngom tika balo matek to lokom don lo pian politikin wak megadero kidong gur me don lo mati ye gai kwan kanisna ecclesia ikin muken mapol ma wak mapol tika wak ngom pegeti kwere pian lara matek te yem gen go tiani mono wak mono gurum ka ben maket mano me konen yo me chimo ngom mati ati wak peki bal don lo marom bin ya joli ni yakikum matele maket man ka chepere wak don lo beru ti mapol dak roma wot total manobero mayot David Magere Kelly report man kombeti yup milorange mo chuin.
Lutela me achuli magi giwajo ni meno ego me larango magi politie ikin luak ki guri mogo me donlo machalo gai kwan ke nisa inyo ecclesia odiat ki mokene mapol ki lar maberi kin luak kia chela cheli kin mukene mapola ta gien goter ni meno luak mano guru mukaberu machalo school ki gan ki odiyat ki mukene ni kono mayam no wadi ki chon go miyo kaberu nyongom medon lobo dong no gen ki chako keluigi ni omerge kwany meno ge duak wako bodge makelu lara mapol Michael Lakony mati won kom me Moro district kono waje ni meno lo teder mukene fudgiti kalweny e kom gai kwan ki ecclesia mukene to twalo miyo la bole ki ya Tiak sub county
Masem na romo piera piero ya pi banana na bere ya Moro district pielo katoli ano no katoli ni mogo mana yao miongong ichukul ipika maana Kene anati yele lokengi la chingacha tu pa lokere primary school. Emi okaka pia rio ya mwen. Mada security was only 19 acres. Nyore mukene ndo adela wan. Pia nampere kemo dele wan ndo adela mero yera. Do hotel.
En kono beno wajini itie ka lego kony ki bot ecclesia katolika ijaime gulumayani tiko cho bodgi pikati wako me riyo talikin luak.
Alego ni I made a recommendation in my district council. I told the Lokmani Guluaj Diocese.
Betty Aolu chan matila chunyo at mokochek madaho me gulu city kono wajini meno en pol kare koke kom LC1 pien nyingi mar gwinye ilok me char ngom nyeo nye kari ngom mayam no gu char woko maman yoko widano mapol
may neno tele pa LC pa dano tie me loko ngom matek kiti eni no ni community en tele pe ngom adede no ngom mo ma ke be char no LC để có quy nhớ đi LC đi lo cả chặt cái đồng kia nó mà đi phụ đồng nhà chặt đó phải chắc cả chặt này so ukwani wako ya wegdano ko be peaceful wan weng mir wa bedo kon luak wan ke di weng
inoni David Martin Alike mati kono won school a cheli Nuaya district kono wajni kid lar ma chalo kid meno kono balo wo kid mekelo dans lobo
senta man me bulle ano la diep mo ma ananyo te bore ken ngatu mai kana no nge sa pe karwenyo wango do e to chi abinu gang aya ba yenyo ka ber chi waya bien wa ko nungi ka ber ke don do pa ngome ne kemia a chak ot ban kla ya che e to lu nyoro metelo ten pan para be che I keitu
en kono mo cha denne e kom kit malwak me district menwa go jole mabe tutwali kar me nyur tamme me kelu don lobo me yabu gang kwan
dugu na gang ku bete gimna kit mo mere ben nga pa te bino ki win meton me ne no ma chara ene ki lu ma dugu gang ki penu ma ka da le tini tikit mirma da ilo me cha ko lo me fonye ma o chu ko ma wa ene man manara ki robel le fonye kwan be fonye kayano wa be cha ko gang kwan
inoni polkari dong pe ma pola ta lok me lara ngom futi ma tek tutwal kon ma lobe ki lok pa RDC me Nuaya district kono jumo kene mirgi bu pongi kom lar ngom mete gi no ngom pol wa gi chat waka chara kon no meno tie karwenyu garwenya ma no pe konyo gi loga ngea Iwan Luo TV David Magere
Idioka to ting me winye men yang matuti kindul me World Vision Uganda kidong kumam Cultural Union man ke kwa kumam menene ki ile matek rome kwan peloti na nyarka ube kidong mene gwakole me kom kidong leo mo ken mejima pool kilune wash program ngat mo jolo kono keto ching man ayo beru man la tela mete kwaro me en kaka kumam Rafael Otaya yop manote metin kisoruti city kamadama polo gore kinurem don lobo kidong lo tela kamente en kilotel te kwaro ikendan muken mapola tane onen report kibot Michael nye yano berutie kar me keto ching me winyaman
Aika makere karachel kede winyere idire me World Vision Uganda karachel kede kumam Cultural Heritage enotiek di omio jotel me kumam Cultural Heritage itabun amenyu to tije amebino timere idire milio ngatagi are apapa yikni enotimere ibomba adwong city me soroti kameda jotel me kumam medo karachel kede me wibie udo dati yen jo achia pato bedo tieno poya yika ni dida obino neno be twero meidwe obino gwoko dilika mo nywaro okoneno dabe kidongo mewe kibet jabecho iya nyim World Vision ntoko yikere karachel me upere karachel kedo kumam Cultural Heritage meneno dabe dongo iye pone sachi apapat bino bedo tie balanati kopa me maker karachel kede pi kopa maker karachel kede pur ikum jamin achiapat
kumam wantina riamo World Vision Uganda kumam Cultural Heritage ineno be ribakin o signing o agreement ameyene wa karachel teach since sana district mesoroti me program ni wa tie ko ba tie apakome angola yene wa teach ke structures me kumam Cultural Heritage yalla ki aberemado dokola morata
wanateker papa me kumam Rafael Otaya eno kwa oji hotel meneno be kibero karachel keda ribakin ikum ayika amema ker karachel keda dongoni
me kuono World Vision karachel kede kumam me bedo inyangere ari winyere me kelo World Vision don pin kumam me weki gwoke waidu atitino iyot kum iye soma kite karachel kede jonyual gi amete goke dueko World Vision oyaro goko
ateker me kumam ndo nan be kede genyo
ibet kede genbe duegi atitino nando World Vision o yaro go ye pole de medo kede gida do nyala meti go ko gi dweko yaro mino gi yot ko mabecho kone menga pa becho kone mecha becho suma becho kabuto becho kile jameda becho mamitere pia tin politics di
Akipo. Anga poyo kiome World Vision sana. World Vision pia kubwa wa arachel ke soma. Arachel ke dwe me pin me mwaka kanyi. Duogo pin. Do bobo kari yalo beno ber. Oyaro no do kwa yot kede dongo mieri wa. Mubeli mukara chel. Iwado uno kuwa me dongo mieri yipone sa becho. Weko bedo me yamatatai. Weko bedo me lok. Wako bedo me kopali winyo ngata amoro le ya maber kaparo mago the World Vision wana poya sana pikonyo wada dona sani aro tingo kuma malo kere jo me World Vision
to wakan amen nena tin ditie tuko yongayo chen me skulu enena tin tia tali esa misoma die ko mako chinga pine ko te skulu amo de tia bere madu motka na menu saf o wodo kati oti o je paka wana de hotel ya tala tetena miniti ye inana tiki ke uniform da ye sa misoma di ko para twa kiame World Vision je wa to ni jo protecting the child against violence is not
Michael Onyinge P1 Luo TV Isoroti City Teso Sub-Region
Hello akmagi bero igulu city ko kati kineno mier kinen kit me yopo lokom chako de der wek loka duke no nen ni kin dano ma kin pachi piano ke duoko chen liman me tit pidwak magitie ni kin pachi kama ke wanye mchorni ngen wani mon lokman ma chako mchor ko weng te ane bod gament mdir kan ke duoko pinyi tikelo para matek bod gament mete der tirane Rome division ka chel ke bero mokene menotela tiye Roma piny Francis Zotim mati kansela beach meki rombe wodi bade ke leipi division odon durman madit bolutela mekenen kit me konyo dan magite dero we kunung aduk me mochor magin choko nyoke onyo bod gamentani onen kong report man ki pere tere juju
Dano mabedi Gulu City gukati kineno ni meno o mier kong dong gi chak no aloka ikit machiente magi chori te dero twero chako konyo gi kwede I mwaga man luak magi gi wajo ni pikar malach adada lute der gi choko lim muchor nyo local revenue ento chiente meno tero kari mapol wego o bot gi igamente mete dero Magin mirni kong dong miru kichak no aloka ki iye ni chake I mwagalim man matika tum mani kwota mer dek me mwagalim alibariyo ki piari wa ngwen alibariyo ki piari wa beach Francis Otim mati kansila ngwen machung pilwak miki rombe ward mati ba degla yibi division mani Gulu City kono wajeni pero tie ikid meti jigamente mete dero pi pero melim manok
Gamente o decentralizing Tito Weng to the board one of them there. And to Kiene would be centralizing a carpet, Malo. She no need it there, kind of terror did it. But Kienango, Berry Maluquia and Patamana Jarocati, room what? She any Gorachi, Mahana Nell. A white woman, Tiani, make a read by Digger Yibi. The read by Digger, Ila Yibi. Chilling mala yibi tiu kwere ni eno ga
eno wadi ni meno pero tie ni meno chiente magi choke te der kong gi teru woko ia dira lim mamalo kadok ni la chien o mero dugi te der ma balo teach
lok mukene ena ye lok ni wan wa choko muchoro walo malo port central government port ministry of finance don't be looking well. Yes. Chilling any Galileo, where all Timuke Pingo, Betine, Yumano, Water.
Patrick Ohola Lumumba mati mea me ba degla yibi division Igulu City kono tero ni meno karibed ni pero melim tie gen gitie kano dir manyen me chwalo lim mogo mateno tino bot LC1 kilo telemete der we gucha kero yupa gamente mogo teach
in the sales and so forth. There are many roads that are good, but they are bushy and they could just be slashed, like for example, Morlem Road, where I come from. You know, it is intact, but it only need only slashing. Such kind of thing could be done by the local government system. So we have agreed now with the city town clerk that we have to do what should have been done even earlier, and that is opening accounts for all the LC1s, you know, and then the LC2s. And all this money that is meant for them, that 25% and 10%, will have to go in that ward account or sale account. And that sale account, they have to come up with sale development plans. You know, no matter how small it is, there must be a plan, and that plan has to be submitted to the city divisions. You know.
Inoni Patrick Omaya mati won kom me chuk madit me gulu kono wajini meno kagi yubo kit machente meno gi dwoko kere bolu te der no be konyo tiu tiny mogo matino tino machalo gini chuk
chene ma wan warayo ki chuke gamende gukaro ni elito pasea mo dugu kanye konyo en yub me gen me maintaining the market kaka mo gware tie miero ke yub ento pero tie ni galle gware ni office pa joma gi loyeni ya ole bat kombedi ya yom ni yugi mutaka me chako yugi tie ma pera yugi galle ken mono chon galle pian ka chano matugi mutaka ariyo mano miero lo guru municipal lo en ko ronga ti sirte ma mutaka makanti mekan mutaka me ba dege la yibiti me ba dege an gi tiu ma be to yugi ni na chel gi wero yugi makanyi wen de ko gi wero da ko tiano gi du ken an kombedi gi tie yugi ne chako
inoni koko tieni wai bolu te dero nyo lu tela mi te dero nyo gamente mapping me te dero ni pero tieni kagi rayo chente konge chwalo wako bod ministry mador lok melim ma meno tero kari ma pol to chwalo wako dok chen ma man tika DOTG te dero lorangea biachara Iwan Luo TV David Magere
Lodero dini magiti ya chuli gitika otoluak meko malme Uganda machafu machele biachara wakiriem chan kabene ke juek rome ko maltiante ko karata itengudi mako yuek nyingni agone ite dulge makeloni actually Religious Peace Initiative man alpi yo machek gwen mono chao kwa manyen numarain numero kelbane kwa manyen kineno matut mete yule mikindan matiki ya chuli wakiriem chan kwan molakur kedong pweka megwakalutino omero wenkiti ye merocho pajo man rojo achuli ka cheli ko malome Uganda lo atika report man kibot Robert Ojok Mone entie iko malome lo Uganda
ikarwa gitika katike kweno imwa amanyen ke gankal madit pa alpi itelo barni rocho te kwar mikuch Archbishop Mado Yueki teach John Baptist Odama Matiwon Kom mi achule Religious Leaders Peace Initiative wachi kuru mati ori odwaro ping total care padano mitig matek mikelo lim ichingi.
Gender-based violence has become a cancer that is eating our societies to its core. This has led to broken families, increased number of orphans, street children, as well as suicide tendencies, and death amongst the couples. Huge resources are wasted in addressing gender-based violence instead of investment and development.
Bishop Godfrey Luom, Bishop Midkinenwe Kumalme Uganda, Tamoni, Petro Yen, Romo Konyo, Dano Tutwal, Me, Lueni Komchan.
Machalo an alego ni ngarachiel uteme kiteka me Petro kit wit yen mo pat yen makichamo yen makiromo konyo romo konyi metedu yen maromo konyi me yupo ot were kit ma ki yenyu jima yenya ki lumino mpera ko betie I mwaka manyen were mwaka mukene do no watimo gin mukene chi o karmo no watie ki kuj mano jemi weng mo amiro tika ngetwa dok no konyo mabe no pe wabale environment malo ba mi obotwa
Al-Aji Sheikh Musa Kilil la kony ko mufti piko malme Uganda te dur ma megime Uganda Muslim Supreme Council tamoni pira tek tutwale dano mapat ki pietro yen mete bene ki gwok le we okel le mabuk
man gin mapira tek maluak wa miko malme Uganda mirwarie muchan waromrie muchan ka waribu chingo kachiel ke gamente ki mirima gamente tika bino kede wan machalo tela dini pod wa mede mi wajine mene wa miro kuch piluak me achuli wa chwale bene duan wa machalo luak me machalo tela dini mameu
P1 Luo TV and Robert Mone ki Gulu City.
Lutiano kwan mage kwan Makere University Dr. Bere Yumpe District Team Rebecca Jangtid me fonye District Man me chobo perme wero kwa Lutiano kwan apol makete weko ne ko rekarman I District ni ene gente keneno matut ke maken mapol magawatio me jwe ko rome weko kwan Lutiano matene koyo Adam Guleti Yumbe District West Nile kongwanen matut ke woten kombiti iyup mamewa milorange maujuin Yumbe District Karmanti keme ke per mapono weko kwani koyo atikane Rome Primary. Magitiki pasen piero biere kene Rome tiko kwani yake klasa chil niwe klasa Rome Primary. Ladit maloyo fonye District Man Rasul Luriga waini mwaka ali wrika pare bichel Lutino kwan ali piru waboro mia dakario nguchako kwan me primary mani pere peritoria Obedo awobe ali bapara ngwen mia ngwen ke pier bichel kanyera ali bapara dek mia boro piera deku ya bichel Ento nge mwaka bier me oe klasa bier me primary I mwaka ali bedo piru wario Lutino kwan ali babichel mia bichel pedaka ngwen lutiro pena meki me primary man pen magike obe Lutino awobe ali bangwen ke pier ngwen wachel kede nganyira ali bario mia bich pier bungwen uya dekeken Ena waini mono imwaga ali ulka para bier Lutino kwan ali piru wachel mia bichel pier bichel achel kutako kwan ento metiko kono kwana meki ni yore mwaga ali piru wadek Lutino kwan mia bich
It is dependent from the homes. It's the parents who actually send these children to school. So when the parents don't send the children to school, the children will not go. So when we look at our completion and dropout rates, it's still alarming. Our completion stands at 27% as of this year, 2024. It stands at 27%.
Entome o imwaga ali bario kapawi kipieri wadek mayutia kwa kwan me klasa biro Lutino kwan ali babich mia bichel kipieri bichel ario ikan gotiago peny mameki man peny magiki Eno waini mono mano wak Lutino kwan mako kwan Makere University ma ake Yumbe District ukatika chin machalo wedul meneno kit metiako pero man Ismail Gerile mati President Padul Pelotino kwan mai kwane I Makere dari ake Yumbe District waini mono man tie pero madit bod district ni ene
is one to prevent the school dropout, because when we prevent this dropout, kids will grow studying and they will get knowledge, and that knowledge will prevent them from these things. When girls continue to study, they will not get married early.
Emmanuel Matua mati RDC me Yumbe District doko kwano benechon Makere University owen mono pero manti lunyur mapol gitikon ke kuya piny maoromo mawer pekeneno kwan chalo gima pere tek mamerikete chwiny pia nyim Lutino kwan magi.
A small marriage ceremony can these days attract millions, not just 1, 2, but tens of millions. And in the same way, our people should start to dedicate money and the resources to education. And they will never go wrong. An educated child is an empowered community, an empowered clan, an empowered society. So let's not hold anything to marry wives for the children, but let's dedicate whatever we have to educate our children so that tomorrow they will be empowered. They will not even need your contribution to marry their wife.
P1 Luo Television ki Yumbe District Adam Gule. Lo member man mo ko chek magidi te party matilo che karman ma NRM gimet ni mon kon gin yam matek lo ma president Yoweri Museveni no kate kwere majoko abili mi agon me bon nyo ber mabuch ma woko bot ngat me ken moto ro kono bal mo ken mano chimo gene lokman ko mer kinyame ka choke madit pa NRM man NRM caucus Lokman okelo bina chach mapol kamalo chumu ken gewan mono tietwer nyo pen cheka yemiyo ne mor kimi ngati mon ben mapuj ma wa kono fut kweti wora nyimi kome mano fut pi yake moko no timo balman ada inyim kot mano rwata nyo por me pidi kome atike report keyboard Fred Kajubi NT Kampala. Gara matika miyo kwalne mitu mwaka bota nywale Uganda kirwa kitura President Yoweri Museveni omiyo rokta bota bili mejoko wako miyo agony mebonu nyo ber mabuch ma wako ikom ngati maken makibiyako no time kuo chalawa kwalo diang nyo mwanyi kaweni jolo kuo maket mana kibar yu pagamente makikati kwere mekwanya dano kichan petuale lokom leyi.
I have raised the issue of bails with His Lordship the Chief Justice, and I have banned the issue of police bonds. Any police personnel that gives a police bond to a village thief when the case is ready for trial will be held fully accountable.
Karebet kumano MPs ko wani mono ke geng mano botoro penchek mamiyo kare me wang chao piru angwen in ngat me ken me beriti ngabili mano futgiti mo kweri komene gen wani mono man miyo kare ke abili me chako kono chaden ma oromo doke yomayot la bilda mabenti MP pilwak maicha dondo East man kuyinji in Muwada wani mono jong me kero chati mergo taylok manda gana per tek pieni mono twaro kelo pera maleta twali kumgamente kero madoto ye dani court.
Mr. Museveni can be lawfully challenged for anything unconstitutional and anything civil. But the immunity only covers the criminal part of it, but also it's a temporary immunity. And it does not, even the prerogative can only be exercised after a judicial process, after conclusion of a judicial process. He has no rights whatsoever to intervene and to interfere with the continuing judicial or criminal process. Any such intervention.
Kidungchel MP me Bulambuli Isaac Katenya kachikla wore me Koboko North Musa no gojolo matek rukta man go wani mono piere tek dan market man omiyo kiti komge piani gena gete kabalo donlo padano mekin pachi ne woke kwalo jame padano ne.
Thinking that the cases which the president has imposed the no bond sanction is not worth it because we have people who have been committing more crimes, like people who kill others, who abduct others, people who rape and do other things. Those are the people, and people who steal millions of money, who loot government treasuries. Those are the people who should not be given bail. But the people who are stealing 10,000, 1,000 from one inch, I think the president should be fair, and we should be in a position to give other punitive measures rather than denying bond. It's more harsh.
One of the reasons that we cannot have speedy trial for this criminal is because of the backlogs. We don't have enough staff. We don't have investigating officers. They are not well facilitated to do the investigations in time so that the files of such people can be sanctioned to court and be tried. My view is we need to address all that chain. From the police, they should be equipped, they should be supported to do the investigations in time, and then we also need to support the judiciary.
Gendo lego ne molo tela madom NRM kidong won kom NRM mergo bet ping kanen gorwate kilo diro malo mame NRM yot moko chik wakinyam lokman mafut piya ki chauket ne tich. MP Mike Goma North Brandon Chintu mabel tira lok papat NRM caucus wani mono pere tek lok man make heritage ento umiano kong kinyam yenyo ki yup ye pen chek mabochwako tim market man mano food piya ki chauket ne tich. Pe One Luo Television, Fred Kajubi. Adong mege ko yup meloka nge mo chuintin ludo turo basketball le Gulu City gichiki mirmetit kidul macholi basketball league mefonyo luturo mege ngolo basketball man lungol turo wek turo man kidong iroma malo lokman katika meloro turo memwaka mokate man acholi basketball league mo chaka dunya bichil otum idrime apawe ario imwaka alibario Pierre Wiangwen David Magere take a report to Lokomto.
Ludo turu dilo adon man basketball igulu city gemer nigi il rom meturu basketball ilobacholi ki ponyo lungol turu mapol lokmano kati ingetiero PM acholi basketball league mau time ni chake idwe mabichel mi mwar mukarni oke idwe mapari o mafudu tum choke malope ki lok gi kono lo loj magi gi waje ni meno gen gineno ki geng mogo mananok mau beru ka balo turu PM meno mai kina ye perom palungol turu man magi lungi ni umpires ma pere tek tutwal ni omere gi il rom meno kagi fuon gen mapol Walter Warom aleng mati won kompa gulu basketball community o mogoni gineno ni upore ni omer gi kel lungol turu mapol nyo umpires ituru matie ka biun ya nyim.
Next season we want the refs not to be players. They will not be players. Everyone who is a referee will not compete as a player. Because if you're a player, you cannot ref because you have a team you support. So yes, next season there is no ref who is a player.
So how is it going to be achieved? Are you calling for people who are interested in learning? Are you going to hire?
We shall put some allowances for referees. Once the allowances, people can step away from playing because there's nothing in playing. The players, we're not going to pay players, we're going to pay the referees. Then the referees will be very happy to own the ref.
Eric Utema mangene kenyingi orisi maben tie ikinjo mago beru kadoro pieme actually basketball league kono wajini gi tie katimo meno we ku geng lok melenge icha mengolo to
players. And then there is that automatic affiliation to a team. If I am a player and I'm also an umpire, when I'm umping a game that is not mine, on a human as the way we are created, I would say I would feel like, I would find myself leaning on a team. And we are trying that in the next edition, if we can have umpires who are not players, so that they are totally fair. Or they don't lean on any team. That has been one of the challenges. It has been a great tournament. I think people have loved the game. We have given opportunity to everybody who wants to play basketball to play amongst the teams that have been playing. Thank you.
Lastly, what will you consider to be the approach in building or bringing more umpires? Just like you said, I've been seeing during the league some players, sometimes I see them also officiating.
Yeah, it is the first edition. FUFA, that is the body managing FUBA, that is the body managing basketball in Uganda, is also picking some interest. Now, we have an idea of trying to reach out to them, to request them to come and give us training of umpires, so that we have more umpires. We have a number of people who have played the game and maybe gave up the game because of maybe injuries, but they can be trained to become umpires, who in the next edition will come and help us to ump, so that there is fair and no leaning to anybody, to any team. Meaning we strictly have, if you're umping, you're an umpire. If you're a player, you're a player. That is one of the strategies we want to use.
Inoni turu dilume actually basketball league kono mauti me fudu tumatuma ni St. Joseph College la yibi ene yo beru terane kon gen go goyo gulu elephants ituru finals magi turu tiana beach kolo inge kon gone kirio ma wero turu meno o ya gikine ento malope gi lok palo yo per tek tutwale mergi il rom me turu meno malo piani ikar mo karangech jo mo kene mago beru ka ngol turu meno go beru ben ka turu ne magen donge merni peo meta nyim Lorangé comme Toro et One Low TV, David Magere.
Okay, lo ya gike yup mi Lorangé mo chin tin kan ki One Low television changwen matine anya sande akumu aleki wini mabe e mwara manyene alibario Pierre Beach metakine no One Low TV wakpeking no ngej mati galawang kupeki wan bene i social media wakonywa kwa kare duju wakube mabe tutualo.